I'm at, oh my god.
Somebody's.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, somebody's honking?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What's that?
Mother kid's coming. Okay. So YouTube, it's a girl Jen. I'm back with another banger. So today, we're finna prank our friend. Y'all already know I haven't done any pranks on my YouTube channel, but on your moist to get go pranking got my friend, and the already told him like it was gonna go out like 2 hours ago, and it was at 12 and now it's already 2. So yes, I'm gonna be quick with this title. So yeah, stay tuned for what if it's gonna happen. You already know. Be like, sure, oh my god, like y'all gonna, if you haven't subscribed on my channel, go ahead and fucking subscribe, share to your friends. You already know, like this is gonna be something else. Like shit, I'ma see you guys later, you feel me? So as y'all can see, like I'm in a car and I finna head there. So I was at this store. I was at the store and they didn't have the white thingy. They don't got the white big ass papers. So I decided to take the pink ones, which is, I don't know, like I didn't really want the pink ones, but all the highs was pink. So I decided to take it instead of going empty-handed. But yeah, I finna go right now because I'm really late. So this is what I got. I mean, I'm gonna put it on the description, whatever I had to buy. Because I had to get that big pink paper, and then I had to buy a Sharpie. Oh my god, I forgot to get a scissor because it might be big or small, like some. Shit, who's honking on me? This not honking on me. Anyways, yo. And that's a good story, because I'm finna head in the street, yo. Peace.
This boy. We gotta find his car. So
Let's find a spot.
yeah, I don't see it.
Oh, what if it's not here?
That would be. Where is his car? Now, the one.
What's not there?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Epic fail.
Imagine if he gets out and he sees us putting this shit on. Oh my god.
No, but for real, no, the one.
It's not there?
No.
Oh my god.
We don't see his car, so.
Traz o copo pra mim, but okay, so you know home? None of it. 4 minutes away. Okay, so no. Alright, so bye. Yo, he's not here. How we gonna put this shit on, yo?
He's not here?
He's not here. He said he's 4 minutes away. Oh my god.
Okay, so you wanna go back home to Mulindere?
So I guess he can go.
back.
So he said he's 4 minutes away. So how we gonna put this shit on? Okay, so basically, oh my god. Okay, so he's gonna count.
No, okay, this is how I feel like. I feel like in John Dinjira Modoka, we cigarette in your like
And how
move
am I
this
gonna
shot,
put
and then you
this
go
shit
put
on
it
by
on.
myself? So yo,
And it's wet
I
too.
got the
Really,
tape.
no kugwa, so
I got
like.
the tape. I had a scissor just in case it got bigger, but shit. Okay, so this is
You gotta figure out how you're gonna do it.
Okay, so basically let's go back and then let's go back like nagaruka nagenda turaza guhita dusohoka twembi maze abe kuganira n'abantu.
Wait, no, I feel like you can do it by yourself.
I can't do it by myself. Then he's gonna be like, what's taking so long? Cause they got work at 5.
But I'm gonna make sure Nasaku in Yuma.
Okay.
I'm gonna make sure he don't see you, you know.
Okay, just talk too much. Forget that.
So I guess you're a comedian, I don't know. Comedian this time.
Yo, okay, alright, stop it.
Okay. So guys, as you can see, I'm now with Jenny. What Jenny did was yagiye kureba ko yamujijisha agenda mu nzu so we can find a way to put this hano tugishyire ku modoka. So yeah, we have to wait and see. And she gonna text me and then basically that's what's happening. So yeah.
Yo, this is not good at all, bro. So basically, this is what happened. So Wella is outside and then he's sitting in the living room, but he parked. I couldn't have inyuma, and I don't fucking know. Like, soon as we get out, he's gonna see the whole side, and he say, "Why the fuck would you put this shit on my fucking car?" Like, I feel like he's gonna be pissed. Oh my god! Stay tuned for the video. Okay, this is my friend Matisse, and this is
Wella, pretty girl.
What's your name, bitch?
Umukobwa Medellin.
What's your name, bitch?
Yeah, I'm a pretty girl, Ella. Banyita Ella. I was still on the Banyita Wella. Yeah. I'm going to come to
Oh, it's going to be 37.
Are you 37?
That's when Matthew was 37.
Yeah, what is
like, I think we went to Texas, right?
Yeah.
Wait, when you came to America, why did you Texas? Muddy?
Texas.
Oh, yeah?
I come with you.
I'm telling you.
What's that we're going to do? I'm going to
I said, I'm telling you, Houston is the best. Like, Muki and have a nice
No, I mean, I'm Charlie Charlie Tuje, no, Tuje come.
Hey, I'm Marie Houston?
No, Mura Mario.
I'm at, oh my god.
Somebody's.
Oh no. Oh, somebody's honking?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What's that?
Mother kid come okay.
What?
Somebody hung. What happened to your car? Look it out. Look it out. Go to our system.
I swear, nobody ever like honks at him.
Oh, goes the one.
I know, I'm a good driver.
You're a good driver?
Yeah.
No, go and can get
Eh? Maybe when maybe one things put that, I think so.
Can you tell you
Oh yeah, I told you.
Madame.
Oh, very oh shit.
Madame. I don't know. I'm so hungry.
I'm on
I
47.
think you're spitting.
Can't need 45.
I think you're spitting. That's how we're going.
I don't think it's spitting. He's only spitting.
Can say to get out,
No, you don't.
No,
I know who's that. Oh no, my papa, no, my sass. Oh my god. Eh? What?
Se kumvugiza amahano se kuza kure.
Eh? What was that?
Rwanda itangira.
Ajya gushyira muri parikingi.
Ajya gushyira muri parikingi.
Ndamuvugisha. Nyine gusa kora.
No, don't. No, it's not cool.
Ako abantu bagira amahane all the time.
No, oya ariko no. I mean,
Ako munga.
Oh shit.
Mm.
Wait, what? No, don't. What the fuck? No, don't do it. No,
yeah,
bro.
bro.
Oh yeah, bro. No, yarago honking uriya. Yarago honking uriya. It's not true. It's not
Reka manuri ikirahure nyine.
It's not true. It's not true, damn.
Wait.
Oh yeah, bro. Don't
Wait.
do it.
No,
hold on.
again today.
It's not true.
Wait. I want to talk to them.
Oh, you wanna talk? No, don't. You don't have to. No, I'm a tell you, bro. Shut up, bro.
Okay,
Bro.
Uskuri kutara.
Okay, cool, yeah. Narengeje. Abantu bajya bavuza amahoni cyane like what the freak, bro? Just chill. Shana, hari good.
I'm telling you.
Shana, real.
I'm just saying, nuri gutwara hano.
I can't drive. Me, I can't drive.
I can't drive. So
You can?
No. So I'm not the cat. But you okay?
Just because they're honking?
No. Listen. Why is being? Cause ikibazo no bari kuvuza.
Maybe you're speeding.
Yeah, maybe because you're spitting. I don't know. I told you you were spitting up. That's what it was honking on. Oh my god. It's just not cool.
We're going to eat. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Jenny and so can you? Chris and so can you? The building.
You see, she said
Jenny,
sorry. I
Jenny.
wasn't gonna sorry.
I was sorry. Oh, we moved out. I was sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I'm quick.
Sorry, nice. I know, right? She
Why is she hungry?
like why she?
But so now hung
Yeah,
back.
okay.
Super. Now quit.
Yeah.
Like that with them.
That's what I would do if it was me.
I swear.
Kwa nanga susu.
I'll go.
What's about serious? It's Saturday anyways.
It's Saturday, and y'all people. Tonga boot you will open maybe.
But are you open? How come when was byagaragara manuza muri screen yawe? So yo, we finna go eat. What was the restaurant name again?
It's my first time going there.
What was the restaurant name?
It's called steakhouse.
Oh, just steakhouse? Is that what you saying? How far is it from now?
I think
Oh, it's not that far.
it was 8 minutes away.
Wambaye neza ntabwo
Wait,
bera
telefone
ntabwo
yarangiye.
bera no
I
kwiga.
can give you my phone.
Aho nibagiye details ya.
Details.
Details.
Turaza gukora outfit check. Turakora outfit check. Let's get out. Because baby.
Do y'all know what you're gonna get? Everyone.
I don't know what I'm getting. I might get a beef taco.
A beef taco line.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Can I get for you?
Oh, can I get number 3?
What's number?
Number 3?
Yes.
What's the drink?
Can I get Coke?
Pepsi.
Yes, please.
What else?
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Give me 1 second, boy.
Oh, I don't know what I'm getting.
You know,
What you getting? So, well, number six is 2 chicken chalupas, whatever it's a thing.
Yes.
And the nachos. I don't want no nachos. Beef taco. Hold on. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, what else?
Yeah, can I get the number 6, the 2 chicken chalupas?
What's the drink on that one?
I don't want to make it a meal.
So you just want 2 chalupas?
Yeah. And then can I get the beef burrito? Burrito.
What else?
For the drink, what kind of drinks do y'all got? I don't know what kind of drink they got.
We have Pepsi.
Just Pepsi?
The drinks are on the menu out there. We got Kickstart, Cherry Pepsi, Baja Blast, Mountain Dew.
Oh, can I just get lemonade?
We are out of lemonade.
Oh
We're out
shit.
of Dr. Pepper. We're out of sweet tea.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. What the fuck? Bro? Can I? Because I got water.
Yeah, I didn't order shit.
What you getting for the drink? What is this? You should get this.
Mula.
We're talking. Yeah. Is it fake?
No.
Is it fake? Let me see.
Should I tell these people I didn't even make them?
Oh shit!
What?
Bro, the whole time I thought was the whole like money. And it's a wallet. Yo, it's a wallet, yo.
Why? You went out with you?
Yes. So he did this, and I'm like, oh shit, we're talking because you got
Stacks.
you got style. But when I looked at it, a freaking wallet, bro. It's a wallet. Because, bro, did you see the look I made? I made a face. Cara, can you say okay?
It's a prank.
It's a prank. In the prank. It's a prank.
It's a job prank nowadays, guys.
It's a prank. Yeah, it was a prank.
Getting out with them first.
Today sangir. Cause I got the two chalupas
Burrito.
and the burrito. But so the number 6 comes with 2.
No, just one.
No, but it comes with like 2 in it. How could it a mama dog room for?
I know.
Like no eating in the car, no drinking in the car.
No.
Yeah, he's.
What the heck?
I guess it's because
I don't think it's us, because there's much traffic, you know?
Home traffic, that side. Shametis and I. That's how I fucking hear him.
Namukandaza kurwana n'abantu.
Sano.
Let them honk.
Azi ko mfite nanjye ko mfite indoze hari tutazaza kunshaka ngo ntabwo nishyura ibisoro.
Yeah. Well, have you been to KFC?
Yes.
You have? You been to KFC? But KFC, I don't know. I never been there, but I don't think they got any of my favorites. I don't really like chickens like that, bro. I used to, bro. When we got here, I used to eat just rice, chicken, and
Actually,
milk
what was the
and soda. But now I don't drink soda like that. Now I'm going soda pen.
What was your favorite restaurant in Texas?
McDonald's. That's McDonald's was my favorite because that's what I could afford.
What? What?
Yeah,
You can only afford McDonald's.
Yeah, nobody goody.
God damn. Yeah, my favorite restaurant in Texas was what's that? Like anybody ate up steak something?
Cause I didn't know Whataburger, but like Whataburger is so honey barbecue sandwich. Oh my god. Sandwich. Yeah, it's sandwich. Honey barbecue sandwich.
Says sandwich.
Is it not what Mexican say?
Surprise.
I got a surprise for you. Voila, come here. Righty. So all this time, you know, so was filming about like us going out, but the whole point is, and I'm so sorry.
I'm gonna bring him.
I'm so sorry.
What
I'm
happened?
so sorry because like you got mad because people was honking on you. But guess what we did? Guess what we did? That's how we
Yeah, that's Damn.
That's right.
I'm so sorry, it's not my fault, you know. It's the crowd's fault, you know. Who's that? I'm gonna.
Still honking.
We're so sorry about it, you know.
you
It's not our
got so
fault.
mad.
Yo, what the heck?
There's nothing in here. But yo, hold on. Yo, give this video a thumbs up, you know.
Alright,
Give a thumbs up, you know.
like and subscribe and comment.
Share, comment.
And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Subscribe, bro, you know.
Okay, say subscribe.
Okay, then I want to ask you a question. Like, how did you feel?
Yeah, how did you feel?
How did he almost walked out of the car? I did so
First time.
Yo, he got so mad. I'm telling you, like, oh my god, yo.
Okay,
Guys.
fine.
I didn't go. I got. Oh wait.
But say subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Comment below.
Share, boss. It's my time.
All right, step by. All right, bye.